All right, let's get into it. Tough day today, ladies and gentlemen. So let's go in order. I'll tell you the stocks that I got in on today, what we lost, how the current positions are doing. So let's go from top to bottom, or in this case, bottom to top. What the fuck? Okay, here we go. So let's start with. Yeah, let's start with this one. Okay. LEDs. We are in on LEDs. I bought LEDs, whatever the hell it's called. Let's talk about it. Oh, you know what? Okay. My fault. I've been doing it on TC2000. So, LEDs. We broke, okay. Do you see what I'm saying, man? We had a nice move up. We started chopping around. Volume was dying. This day, which is the day that broke out, and I bought it on this day. So I wanted to get in on the yesterday where it broke out. So I was like, okay, let's see if it retests this level, which was the $3 level. Actually, no, it was 306, but I got in a little early, so that was pretty good. And yeah, so we're kind of sitting red right now. Pre-market, like right under where our entry point. I don't see how this stock won't go up. So if it doesn't go up, I'm gonna be pissed. So we are in that still. We're only down 21 bucks. Grr. We are good. Grr is fine. We are up regardless on this, so this thing doesn't need to go any higher. Actually, I think it does. Oh. Okay, it needs to hit one more target. We're at break even. It needs to hit 24.53 to fully sell this whole position because I kind of want to get out of it. If I had like 100 plus shares, I'd still hold on to it, but we're only 25, so we still need to hit. Goddamn, we need to hit 24.53. That is right there, so we would secure another 128 bucks. So that's cool. So Grr. Year to date, we're up 136. That's pretty cool. UPXI. Bro, fucking stock, dude. Let's talk about UPXI. So as you can see, we got in here. Let me go to TC2000. As you can see, I thought we were breaking out, but I guess not. And I bought when we, was it? I think I bought here, and then I put it at the low day, and then we just tanked. So that sucks. But this stock is still on the watch list. I mean, we're pinching, so we have to break out sooner or later. So I could always get back in. UPXI. So we lost 118 on that. BKSY. I think I already went over that. We made money on that. QBTS. I'm in on QBTS. But this stock is being a bitch. Oh my goodness. So we've been holding QBTS for a while. We hit our first target in pre-market. It didn't count because we can't sell during pre-market. So look what happens. We almost hit it. Actually, not almost. Not even. We almost hit it yesterday. Almost hit it yesterday. Bounced off my entry point. And then we come to today. And just straight down, dude. Just straight fucking down. Like, actually, yeah, today I thought we were going to hit our target because we started off strong. And then, as you can see, we just kept going down. Pre-market, we almost hit our stop. Are we going to hit our stop tonight? I don't know. I'm honestly kind of nervous because CPI is tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. So we will see. Consumer Price Index. So that's what it's looking like on here. Oh, wait. My fault. QBTS. So sorry. Yeah. This is what it's looking like. Like, how is this not gonna go up? Like, this candle has almost stopped us out. We got in here. Like, how is this not going to go up? if it doesn't go up by tomorrow and we open under this purple EMA line, I'm selling it all. I have to sell it all. But if miraculously we, shoot up above our 1774 and we open above 1774, the trade is still in play. But if it's opening under 1774 and under the 10 EMA, which is the purple line right here, it's a done trade. We lost. QTS. So we're still in that. We're only down 44 bucks. Dude, fuck this stock. What did we lose on Com? 56 bucks, not bad. Let's go. Let's get into it. We had a thin day here. This was breakout. I got in on the break of this first 5-minute candle. And, yep, just stopped out. And then look, of course, in pre-market, we're fucking back above here. So this stock is still on the watch list. So if we open up and we break out, I'm getting in. Volume is still kind of dead. And it's kind of picking up here, here, and here. So this is still a stock that I could re-enter. SMR, 125.50. Fucked up, dude. SMR. ASMR. So, again, look. We break out, right? I know I'm not tripping, dude. This was the breakout candle. And broke out perfectly. Got in at the 5-minute high. Came right back down. Fucking stopped us out. So, I'm not... It's just... I'm kind of pissed. This is off the watch list. I don't like it anymore. Because, one, it's not making a nice downtrend. We broke out, so I don't like it. LPTH. This was a big one, dude. 208.50. Let's go. LPTH. I mean, look at that. This was breakout day. This day, right here, was breakout day. I get in on today. Because I was like, okay, if we retest one of these 5-minute high candles with high volume, I think it was this one, we're going to get in. I get in. I put it at low a day of yesterday. We get stopped out. So it's frustrating. Because, look, big move up, chop, chop, chop. Volume died out, from here. This was breakout day, big volume, and then, just completely reversed on us. So this is off the watch list because I don't like how it's setting up now. So those were my losses for the day. Now, YSG, dude, we officially hit 1100 on it. This is the most strongest stock I have right now. Oh, this is another new stock right here. Oops. This is another new stock right here. NWTN. So this stock, let's get into it. Let me do it here because it's a lot more clear when I'm doing it on here because I'm actually in the position. So this stock has to go. It has to go. The highest it went up to was 227. We were at 580, dude. My first target, and with this first target, if we hit 2.37, where is it? 2.37, we would lock in 780. But I'm not a bitch. I'm doing a 1-to-2 ratio. So once we hit 237, I put at break even, and then when we hit 276, which is all the way up here, 1560. That's good. And I went in heavy with this stock. I honestly didn't mean to, dude. So if we lose, we would lose almost $800. But if you can see this, let me go on TZ2000. How can we not shoot up after this? A nice move up, chop, chop, chop back into the EMAs. Bam. Small day, bam. With big volume right here. So how does this not go up? So pre-market, it looks like we're doing okay. We're at 205. Yeah, so it looks like we're doing fine. Hopefully, dude. CPI better do fucking good tomorrow, bro. I'm very nervous. I'm not even gonna lie. But what are you gonna do, man? We're here to make money. We're here to put risk on. So we have to just take it on the chin, regardless. Pays, we are doing amazing still on pays. or not amazing. We haven't even hit our first target on pays yet. But pays, I mean, we're doing pretty good still. Let me get into this. We're still doing good on pays. But what I've recently been noticing is I've been dealing with a lot of slippage when I get in on these stocks. Like with this 5-minute candle, dude, I should have gotten in right here instead of 488, but that's where I got filled. So, I need to start doing limit orders. Because I've just been doing market orders and they've been getting me filled in at the worst spots. But so far, we're still up. We need to hit 536, and that is right here, 480. I think this trade's at 1-to-1. So we've been holding it for 1, 2, 3, 4 days now. Still haven't hit anything. So put your prayer in that stock. Pays, ignore SPY. JL got in on today. This is brand new stock. This is a brand new stock that I bought. Let's see. It's a pretty thin stock, not gonna lie. And I honestly don't know why my first target is all the way up here. Let me redo this real quick. So I put it as a 1-to-2 ratio. We have 50. Yeah. Why was that all the way up here? See, that didn't fucking look right. That did not look right. See, this is why we record and freaking journal. That did not look right. I knew something was off. So JL, these are our targets. Stop is there. Let's go to JL on here. Doing pretty good. 550. I don't think this has a pre-market because it's so thin. But as you can see, even on the 1 hour, bro, like how does this stock, like with this setup, not shoot up? So we're gonna find out tomorrow. I think that's it. Oh, my spreadsheet. I gotta show you my spreadsheet. Yeah, that is it. So this was all my positions for the day. Negative on the day. Fucking sucks. So yeah, we took some hits today. But our big stocks are really holding us up. They are really holding us up, especially YSG. Like I said, ignore NVIDIA and ignore SPY and ignore SWVXX. That's why I made this spreadsheet. So here's the spreadsheet. I'll zoom in for you guys. I updated it, and I think my numbers are right, to be honest. I think they're right. I did this like 5 times. Yeah, so this is where we're at, 1408 in our total positions that are still open and closed. You know, my wins, my losses, my open profit. So that's how much we're at, 1408. And new day tomorrow. Like I said, CPI tomorrow. So consumer price index is tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. So best believe by the time I'm done with the gym, I'll be, on edge. So I really hope it's good tomorrow, but this is part of the game, dude. Accept it and move on. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace.